In today's video, we are going to show you how to withdraw money from Expert Option using your mobile phone. We will go through the withdrawal process step by step, including selecting a withdrawal method and submitting your request. So the first thing that you need to do is open the Expert Option app on your mobile device. If in case it is not available in your area or region, it's okay. You just have to go back again to the main homepage. You can simply download the APK or go to the web version depending on your preferences. In my case, I opted to log in using my credentials, and then we need to go to the finance or withdrawal section. For you to be able to do that, navigate on the top left corner where you can see the three horizontal line and click Finances. What will happen is, depending on your area or region, if you go to the withdrawal, you will see the available options including Gcash, Visa, MasterCard, Maestro, Coins.ph, GrabPay, Maya, online banks, cryptocurrencies, and a lot more. In this case, I am going to use an online bank, and on the drop down menu, choose the bank that you prefer. So I'm going to choose Deutsche Bank and provide the amount, bank account number, and the account full name. Review the details carefully and tap confirm or submit new request, and your withdrawal request will be sent for processing. Before withdrawing, ensure your account is verified if required, and in many cases, withdrawals are processed back to the same payment method used for deposits. Processing times can vary depending on the payment provider and verification status. Basically, that's it for today's video on how you withdraw money from Expert Option on mobile. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.